dunia sekarang ni banyak cabaran dan social media juga tak kurang memberi cabaran kepada kita. For example, kita di dinampakkan seolah-olah kalau kita ni buat bisnes, kita kena berjaya dan kejayaan tu dinampakkan dari segi benda-benda material. So maksudnya kalau kita ada rumah besar, kita ada kereta besar, okey, kita ada klinik yang besar, maksudnya kita berjaya. Um, tapi itu tak semestinya the truth lah. That's not the truth. That is perhaps the conditioning that we have been uh, brought up to feel that is right, and that is the only thing. But I'm here to say that that's not the entire truth. Not to say that doing business tak perlu untung. For you to be sustainable, and we also practice the same dekat Mafa. We want to build to last organisation. We want to have an organisation that is sustainable, and for you to be sustainable, you must be profitable. Okay, but the equation says that SALTR. So it's not just the results, which is the money part. There are also other results that we want to look at. For example, the well-being of the team. Okay, the competency of the team, the willingness of the team to go on this journey together with you. Okay, so that is also things that we want to measure as well. Okay, so and this is when you do all of this, okay, inshallah you'll be able to get extraordinary results. Okay.